In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your cover photo private on Facebook. So just go to your Facebook profile page, just tap the three horizontal lines together with your profile, and then in here just tap on your cover photo. And then select upload photo. So you will see at the bottom, share your update to newsfeed. Just go ahead and untick that one so that it will become private. And then tap save. So the other ways to make your cover photos private is by viewing your cover photo and then click on the three dots at the top right and select edit privacy. And then you can customize who can see your post. So if you want to make it private, just tap on only me. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.